All right, let's get right into these numbers, man. We were saying it was over 5 million. It was a big beat over the estimates. 5.07 million ads. The estimate was about 4.5 million. That's big. I want to put it in perspective, though. As an investor, how do you view it?
Well, I just think the execution is astounding. I mean, they beat on just about every single metric. And if you think about how far the stock has come, not the company itself, but the stock in the last 2 years. I mean, it bottomed at a trough of about 13 times earnings in 2022, as hard as that may be to believe. And the stock's up 4x over that period of time, but about 3x of that 4x move is in the multiple revision to where they went from thinking Netflix was slowing down in growth and it was now a value story instead of a growth story, and people were panicking about their growth. And now it's a growth story again, and it's trading at a huge multiple and a PEG ratio that's off the charts because they just are executing beautifully. And the ad addition has really worked incredibly well, and they've been incredibly focused on margin expansion, which has been very successful. And it's really fun to watch a company you own just execute with this level of excellence. It's outstanding.
You know, again, it's the most profitable quarter ever. And certainly for this quarter, great execution. But kind of what I was asking about, George, I'm looking at the forward PE of this company, 32 times, almost 33 times. Karen Finerman was on Fast Money yesterday saying she has to hold her nose when she's looking at this stock at this level. Are you worried that right now we're seeing peak Netflix? I mean, they had their password cracked down. They've already unrolled their ad tier. I mean, are you worried that this might be the best it could be?
Well, it's classic Warren Buffett, buy fear and sell greed, right? I mean, I'm not selling the stock. I think it's kind of a must-own stock, but your margin of safety is a lot lower here than it was at 13 times earnings and under $200 just 2 years ago. So that's quite a move, and you do have a lot of multiple retraction risk going forward. But I think as long as the company keeps executing, I think the stock's going to work. But when they don't stop executing, when they stop executing, who knows when that's going to take place? So you really can't try to guess that. At some point, it gets so expensive, you probably think about writing some call options against it to try to clip some income and take some money off the table. But I don't think we're quite there yet.
I want to play a soundbite from Ted Sarandos yesterday about bundling. I want to get your take on this. We're going to play it for you and get your reaction.
We're seeing a lot of our competitors use bundles to find growth in their businesses. And I get that. It's a comfortable business model for legacy media companies. And kind of given the narrow scope of the libraries on these services and the fairly limited engagement, it makes sense for them to kind of replicate some of the older media models of kind of creating these bundles. But what we're focused on is adding more and more value to this package.
So, I mean, you heard those comments. I'm sure you probably heard it last night as well. I do want to ask you, so this is a growth company now. Where else can they grow? I mean, they've gotten into live sports, or excuse me, live events, not quite live sports. They have like boxing with Jake Paul and Mike Tyson and some racing. But when we're talking sports, we're generally talking the big sports leagues. Where else can this company grow if you think it's a growth stock? Because they say they're not going to bundle, and, you know, NBA rights aren't there, NFL rights aren't there.
Yeah, well, they're a pretty creative group, and they've shown the ability to grow under just about every single circumstance. You look at the globe, we got over 8 billion people around the globe, and I think they've got 283 million subscribers and all that. So I think there's quite a bit of opportunity still left ahead of them if they're creative and they continue to expand their offering, and they provide something that the consumers just kind of got to have. And I thought he was kind of very, very politely trash talking his competition. You know, one great thing about being an 800-pound gorilla in an industry, having great competition is a bit overrated. It's kind of nice when your competition is completely inept, and Netflix's competition is completely inept, and they just destroy them every year. And I think they're having a lot of fun doing that and actually politely talking a little trash about it right there too.